Welcome to this tutorial on Android application development. Now, before anyone creates any Android application, they obviously need the right software to do this. Now, the first piece of software we need to use is the Java JDK, which basically lays the foundation for the Android SDK, which is what we'll be using. This contains the code that will the Android SDK will run onto. Then the Android SDK provides access to the Android libraries and allows you to develop for Android, so it uses the code for all the operating systems. Then there is the Eclipse IDE, Integrated Development Environment, which basically brings together the Java and the Android SDK to basically make a piece of software for making applications on. Now, the final one is the Android ADT, can't speak today, which is the development tools, which is a plugin for Eclipse that you'll use to develop on. Now, first of all, we need the Java development kit. Now, to get this, you go to www.oracle.com/tech network /Java/Gervais, I think that's how you pronounce it, /download /index.html. Then you'll be greeted by the download page for Java. Now we need to select the if anyone didn't see that, sorry, you'll need to select the Java JDK here. You'll go to the downloads page. You'll need to accept the license agreement there and select whatever operating system you use. For example, Linux, Mac OS, latest version, Mountain Lion, Solaris, and Windows. Obviously 32 or 64-bit, and then you will have to select it. We are using Windows 64-bit. So you'll select your download and then you can save the file. Now this will just save in your downloads. You'll have to double click on it, accept the download, and then install it. It's a very simple way of installing it. So now we've got the Java development kit. So, excuse me, we need to get the Android SDK. So we need to go to developer.android.com /SDK /index.html. Then you'll be greeted by the SDK page. You can download Linux version, Mac OS X, and Windows version. Well, we recommend you use the installer for Windows, as you don't have to download it as a zip, but the zip file you don't have to install anything. So then you will have your where is it? Sorry. You'll have your Android SDK. Now this will come up with. Sorry, that's the wrong version of it. If you use the installer, you will it will be in your program files, and then you'll select that, and then you'll have all of these files with the Android SDK in. Now what we need to do is select the SDK manager. It'll bring up this window. Now this is basically where you install all the different source codes and things from Android. Now there'll be a big, massive list. For me, it took about an hour or two to install every single platform. So if you're willing to do that, then you will. But you'll have to install all the packages. We've already got everyone installed. So you can, after you've installed them, you'll be almost ready to go for developing. Now once we've got that, you obviously need a place to make your applications. Now for this we're using Eclipse, so we need to go eclipse.org/downloads. Then you can select either the Eclipse IDE for Java developers or the Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. We use the IDE for Java developers. Now you can either use the Galileo, Helios or Indigo packages, depending on whatever your choice is. Indigo is the newest version, but we use Helios. So you can select the package, then we're using the IDE for Java developers, so we'll select that. And then we're using Windows 64-bit, and then you'll easily be able to download it like that. But since we've already got it installed, we'll show you the file. It will appear like this, where you'll have all the files, and then you'll have the Eclipse, the actual software application, just there, and you'll be able to double click. But we've got a desktop shortcut, so we'll open that, Eclipse Helios. Now when you set it up, you'll need to set a workspace where it sets all your files. So next we'll have to install the a plugin for Eclipse, which is the Android development kit. So we'll go to help, you can see that, we'll go help, install new software, and then it will appear like this. And then what you need to do is you don't have to type in Android ADT, that's just my personal choice. https://dl/ss.google.com/android/eclipse. Bit of a mistake there. So that will be the web address that you'll got. But once you click OK, we've already got that done. It will appear like that, and then you'll see a package here, developer tools. You'll need to select all of those, and it's really easy to install. But because we've already got it installed, we won't go through that for you because it's fairly self-explanatory. Thanks for watching this video. Any links that we used in this video will be in the description just below, and thanks for watching.